This video shows you how to register fax destinations to your device. Register fax destinations in the address book of the device so that you do not need to enter fax numbers each time. Begin by pressing Address Book Management. Select New Program. Under Name, press Change. Enter the name to be registered as a destination and then press OK. Note: the key display is automatically registered when name is registered. Key display is the name of a button to be displayed on the fax function screen of the destination. If you would like this to be different from the name, you can alter it at this time. You may also make changes to the registration number if desired. Make sure that name, key display, and registration number are displayed properly, and then press Next. On this screen, you have the option to choose where you'd like this destination to be filed within your device. If you are registering a fax number that is frequently used, you may wish to keep it in the Frequent tab. If it isn't used that often, you may choose to file it away either alphabetically or numerically. Select Fax Destination. Press Change under Fax Destination. Enter fax numbers with the number pad in the device control panel and then press OK. Press OK. Repeat the previous procedures if there are multiple destinations to be registered. Press Exit to complete the registration.